Open YDlink app. Click the Connect button to open the link interface. Enter the video stream address and click to open the video. Select the control method according to your needs, enter the corresponding IP address, etc. to connect the control. After the connection is successful, the corresponding gimbal camera model will be displayed. You can quickly locate the specified direction by clicking or entering the yaw and pitch values. Click the middle button and the gimbal camera will automatically return to the center. The slider on the right can change the pitch and roll speed of the gimbal camera. For direction buttons, control the gimbal camera up, down, left, and right respectively. You can also drag the mouse on the screen for control. Click the one-click down button, and the gimbal camera will automatically point directly downward. Click the one-click horizontal button, and the gimbal camera will automatically return to the horizontal direction. PC snapshot. The photos taken will be stored on the computer. PC record. The captured video will be stored on the computer. Card snapshot. The photos taken will be stored on the SD card. Card record. The video taken will be stored on the SD card. Zoom in and zoom out button. You can change the zoom speed of the gimbal camera according to your needs through the selection box on the right. You can also enter the specific number to zoom in or zoom out through the button on the right. Picture-in-picture toggle button. Quickly switch between thermal image button. Thermal image zoom in or zoom out button. The quick tracking button can also be used to double-click the mouse on the screen to perform target tracking. During the tracking process, you can zoom in and out at any time through the mouse wheel or through the buttons on the right sidebar. If you want to stop tracking, click the right mouse button on the screen to end tracking or press the button on the right to stop tracking. Copy the coordinate information of the target. If the gimbal camera has radar following function, click the radar button to open the following function interface. First, lock the target that needs to be followed, and then click the follow button. During the following process, the flight height can be changed in real time according to needs.